make mine fast within it. The likes of the fast of senses fasters make my nightly prayer. The likes of those who sinnily pray it and receive me within it. From the sleep of those who are heedless and forgive me my sins during it, O Lord, all of mine words, and shed your mercy upon me. O your worthy forgiveness their sinners.